This is a video about how to make your house smell really good with some red spruce gum on a wood stove. Probably not the healthiest thing in the world, but it sure smells nice. And at the end, I'll try some white pine. Okay, headed into the woods to find a nice red spruce tree. Because every project starts with a red spruce tree. Every project worth doing anyway. There was some logging done here probably 25 or 30 years ago. They scarred up some of these trees and they're still leaking a little sap from those wounds. See right here, there's the red spruce. And there's the sap we're going to collect. There's another red spruce. Little stand of them here. That's a fir in front, but let's check out this one here. An injury there. There you go, right there. There's some sap. Oh yeah. Look at that right there. Nice big chunk of spruce sap there. All over. There we go, we'll put a little sap on, see what happens. Now it's getting hot and it's starting to smell. It smells like, I don't know, it smells like the woods, like wood, like something really good and ancient. Just an amazing smell. It smells like an old barn, like the wood in an old barn. Okay, now we got a little smoke coming off. The smell is amazing. It's like something medieval and foresty, a little sour, but in a good way. Woody, old smell. So you can see it leaves kind of a mess. We don't really care, just keep burning it off all winter, but if it's a problem, you can put it on a griddle like this. Well, the pine's getting warm. It's got a good smell, piney smell, woodsy smell. Doesn't have the magic the red spruce does, though. Not to me, not to my nose.